Hey guys, this is your guy Paul. This is part 3 now. Now, based on still on that story, whether you should get a plot. Watu wanaambiwa, oh, don't get a plot. Oh, plot is not an investment. Oh, you're wasting money. Oh, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. I don't know where, blah, 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 blah. Let me ask you. Haya, it's okay. You have a very good business. You are employed in a very big company earning over 300k plus a month salary. Let me ask you, you are affording a 1-bedroom in Kilimani, probably paying 100k per month rent. Let me ask you a question. Companies nowadays, they are not hiring permanent and pensionable positions. They are doing contracts, maybe like 3 years, you renew. What will happen if that company decides it will not renew your contract? Will you be able to continue paying your rent in Kilimani of 100,000? Will you? Will you? You won't. Trust me, you won't. Utahamia bed sita ama urudi kwenu ushago ukalime. Ni kweli? Kwa hivyo what I would tell you, and I will insist, what I will tell you, if you can, wacha hata niwainamie, if you can, get yourself a plot. Get yourself a plot. Haijalishi ni wapi, I swear. Hata kama ni Kitengela huko mnaambiwa oh, unanunua plot 50 by 100 Kitengela kufanya nini? Get yourself a plot. Tunakaa Kitengela. Kitengela kuna matajiri wengi sana. Kuna hata MPs. There is one MP, I don't know whether it's Sylvester Osoro or who. There is another MP who stays here in Kitengela. He has a plot here in Kitengela. Other leaders, very prominent people stay here in Kitengela Chuna. They live in Kitengela. So what are you trying to tell me? From Kitengela to Westlands, using a Nairobi Expressway, it's taking you 20 to 30 minutes, maximum 40 minutes because of ile traffic ya pale Sabaki ukipanda Mlolongo. 40 minutes you are in Westlands. Mtu mwenye anakaa Thika Road huko mnaambiwa muende Keno. Mtu anatoka Keno to Nairobi anachukua how many hours? Ile jamu ya Thika Road inakuanga asubuhi. How many hours do you take? I'll tell you. You see this musician, allow me to mention him because I'm mentioning him in good faith. He is called Guardian Angel. Guardian Angel, if you have been following him, Waingo Farm, one thing you'll notice, and I like this guy, and I just wish one day, if you know him, tell him I would want to meet him. Hata kama ni kwa shamba huko. I like the courage, the determination in this guy. These guys who went to Machakos, na huko Moore Hills, I don't know kama munajua Machakos, a place that is perceived dry, a place that is perceived not productive, a place that is perceived as wasting money. Sijui kama mnanisikia. The guy went there, bought a barren land or a bare land, at an affordable place. Hiyo ni yeye anaweza tuambia. And he decided to do farming. And guess what? I saw his video on Lynn Goge channel. Go check on YouTube. He said he is building a resort. And I will tell you, Guardian Angel, hiyo resort ikianza kuoperate, invite me. I will come. I'm also a content creator anyway, hata kama ni content creator mdogo, small fish. I also have a YouTube channel. I will cover it for free. And I want to tell you, what was I saying? Guardian Angel, in as much as he has a home, I don't know whether it's Karen or Runda, in case the worst happens, he has the best insurance in his life. Atalilocate kwake huko Moore Hills, na hakuna mtu atamuuliza. Let's even assume he is renting. I am not sure about that. Assuming he is renting, hata ashinde kulipa rent, akona kwake kwenye atahamia, akae huko, hakuna mtu atamuitisha rent, and he'll be safe. Guess what? This urban town, these urban sellers, plot sellers, if they were to advise Guardian Angel, they would have told him, usiende kuwekelea milioni zako hapo huko Moore Hills, kuja huku Roiro ama kuja huku Kamakis tukuzie 50 by 100 at 5 million. You know, I had another socialite on TikTok saying he bought a plot in Roiro in Kamakis, that Eastern Bypass, at 5 million. Atikuja huku Eastern Bypass tukuzie plot at 5 million. Let me tell you, that 5 million, the guy went here, Moore Hills, With that 5 million, trust me, you can get over 10 acres or close to 10 acres. Yeah? Nikuulize ni nini iko na more value? Ni 10 acres in Moore Hills ama ni 50 by 100 hapa Kamakis? Wewe. Na tena hiyo si commercial. Okay, Kamakis kama unanunua commercial plot yenye unajenga apartment, go ahead, do it. But kama unanunua plot yako ya kujenga, please usinunue plot ya 5 million. Please don't. Kama ni yako ya kujenga, it's a dead capital. In as much as I'm advising you to buy plot, it's somehow a dead capital in a way. But usinunue ya 5 million. Don't make that mistake. Sawa sawa. In the next video, I'll tell you the kind of a plot you should buy if you're buying a plot yako ya kujenga, ama kama ni commercial unanunua. So, wait for the other part.